Andrew, do you remember when we were talking about how the average 3-bedroom on Central Park West was $4 million?
Yes, I do remember that. Is it less now?
No, that was 2 weeks ago.
So is this the 3-bedroom apartment that we're seeing for $4 million today?
Actually, this apartment is under $2 million.
Under $2 million? That's incredible. Does it face a wall?
The main rooms all face open south to the tree-lined street with peaks of blue skies, open city, and even a smidge of midtown towers.
Enter into an oversized formal entry with beautiful beam ceiling and a big coat closet. To the right is a lovely archway with extra wide living room facing south to the tree-lined street with open city skyline views and a peak of midtown. There are French-style painter moldings and beam ceiling, which makes this apartment feel such like a home.
There is a windowed eat-in kitchen with lovely white marble counters and stainless appliances, such as a Viking gas stove and microwave, Sub-Zero fridge, a double stainless undermount sink, and a brand new, never used before, stainless steel gallery dishwasher.
The primary bedroom has 2 huge south-facing windows to a beautiful tree-lined street, with a private ensuite windowed bathroom and a shower with an oversized rain shower fixture.
The second bedroom faces this beautiful tree-lined street flooded with south light. And the third bedroom features French doors and a generous closet too.
35 West 92nd Street is established full-service co-op that's in the process of automating both elevators.
Wait, really?
Yes, I said really.
They're gonna put a 24-hour doorman in the lobby at 35 West 92nd Street.
That's what I said.
That means that investing at 35 West 92nd Street would probably appreciate in value.
That's what I said. Located a block from the best Trader Joe's, near Whole Foods, Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Bear Burger, tennis and bike and hiking trails, and more right outside your door.
And you're just half a block from Central Park, the best backyard in the world.
Here you can watch all the colors change. It's beautiful. Give us a call to schedule a showing for 35 West 92nd Street 4C.
I'm Amelia Gewirtz.
And I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris Stevens.